Hey y'all, it's Megan from Made for Mermaids, and today we're working on our lanyard pattern. So I have a swivel clip here that I got from Joann, and then I cut my fabric 3 inches by 36.5 inches. And I went ahead and pressed it, but I'll show you real quick how I did that. So you're gonna press it as if you were making bias tape. So you're gonna press in half all the way down to create a crease, and then you're going to press the edges to the crease just like that, and then you'll press it one more time, enclosing those raw edges all the way down. So that's what we have here. Now I'm going to take it to my machine and I'm going to edge stitch this closed all the way down. And if you'd like, you can go ahead and top stitch the other side just so it is top stitched on both sides. Okay, and you can see here that I've top stitched both sides, so it's closed. Now you're gonna lay it out and you're gonna fold it in half, and you want the right sides up, and you're just gonna put them on top of each other like this. And now I'm quickly going to baste the short ends together right here, and then we're almost done. Now the bottoms are basted together, and you're gonna take your swivel and you're gonna slip it through the bottom, and we're going to fold the raw edges 1/4 inch to the wrong side, and then fold it again 1/4 inch to the wrong side, so all of the raw edges are tucked inside. And now you're just gonna stitch right at the edge to hold this in place. You can see that's stitched down and everything is attached. And that's it. You can clip your work badge, your student ID, whatever you need to on the end. These are so quick, so easy to customize for quick gifts if you need any, or stocking stuffers. If you make one, of course, we would love to see you post in our Facebook group or tag us on Instagram at Made for Mermaids. Thanks, bye.